Traders, the NAS 100. Let's just quickly go out to the weekly. I want to show you something. What we have here is this range, and we're currently trading at the top of the range. Look what it's been doing. It's just been meandering between these two levels over the last however many weeks. So given that this is trading into big liquidity at the moment, these buy stops that are up here, it's pushing into that. The natural path of least resistance, in my opinion, of a resistance level like this, where there's liquidity, would be a pullback. So if we consider the possibility that this pulls back, I mean, I wouldn't be buying into that at the moment. For me to get long, I would have to see it break structure and pull back and retest. But I'm actually thinking a short at the moment. Let's just have a look at it on the daily. Yeah, okay. So on the daily, we've got that. Well, possibly something like that. And the other thing that we have on the daily time frame is the low here to the high, all right? Fibonacci retrace into equilibrium. Okay, so that's a thought. All right, so my thing would be possibly this trades back down into this 50% of this range. Let's have a look at the 4-hour time frame. All right, here's the thing. Okay, retrace, and it hasn't really, like if we measure that move here, and we measure that move, that move, give or take a pip here and there. All right, that kind of makes sense, yeah? Okay, so with that in mind, I'm looking at then from the 4-hour perspective, okay, grab this, see this thin candle. So we have this bullish imbalance that is a target for this to trade back into, looking to rebalance. And that coincides beautifully with the 50 to 61.8 Fibonacci retrace. That's my entry zone. I mean, if we're going to buy, it would have to pull back into here, and I would look for a buy, for a setup. If this breaks structure bullish, that would be a buy. But my thing at the moment is I think we might see this retrace back down into here, into the end of the week. Okay, that's what I'm thinking, given that we're trading into these buy stops, big liquidity. It hits that and they retrace back down in here. So that's what I'm looking at the moment with the US 100, guys. Now, there's ways to get involved with this on a lower time frame, but that's kind of beyond the scope of the video at the moment. I'm just thinking that that could be a play, and look for the setup, wait for price to invite you in on a 15 or a 5-minute chart, and that could be a thing. More importantly, I think a potential buy opportunity down in here, if it sets up, you'd have to see it, move into the level and then break structure bullish. But that's what I'm thinking. Now, I would be stoked if you leave a comment below. That would be awesome, guys. I'm just going to mark this up as a liquidity pool. Yeah, definitely share your thoughts with me. What do you think? Leave a comment below, and be careful. We've got NFP tonight. But, that could be a play, a counter trend short, possibly, if it sets up. With that, have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.